Hola, hola friends, welcome to Share and Serve, another episode of the vegan plant-based kitchen. Today we have these grits with soy curls, so stay tuned and follow along. Let's start by hydrating our soy curls with water and some of the seasoning we're gonna be using. We're just gonna add the soy curls and the curry powder in here. We're gonna add the water, just enough to cover them, because we're gonna saute them with the same broth that we just made. We're gonna boil them a little bit and then we're gonna cover them while we make our polenta, our grits. Okay, we're gonna chop our garlic and we're gonna saute the garlic in butter. You can use 3/4 of a cup, 3 small garlics, 1 big one, no garlic at all if you don't like garlic or if you cannot take garlic, but I do love garlic, so I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic in it. So this brand that I use hydrates pretty quickly, so once it starts boiling, I turn it off and I leave the lid on, and I'll come back to it when I'm ready to saute. You can leave it in big chunks. You can chop it very little mines, how you say it? You don't know. So just warm up your pan, add your butter. I usually put a drizzle of oil so my butter doesn't burn. Once it's melted, just add the garlic. Make sure you don't overcook the garlic because then it will give you a terrible taste. A terrible taste. How something so good can turn so terrible. Anything can turn terrible if you burn it. No? I think yes. Some salt in here. Once the garlic is ready, we're gonna pour the coconut milk. We're gonna pour the water. You can use veggie broth as well for this, but I'm just gonna use water and salt. And then you add the polenta or grits. And then we're gonna bring it to boil. We're gonna simmer it, and then you wanna make sure that you stir it from time to time so it doesn't get lumpy. Let's add some salt. Okay, so our soy curls are ready and hydrated. The pan is hot, so we're just gonna throw them in here to remove the excess water and make it a little crispy and golden. You can season it with whatever you like. I just felt like curry today, and since the grits have some coconut milk in it, I think it will pair nicely. If you like to add some oil, you can do so it can give a little bit of crispiness to the soy curls. I honestly started using soy curls like maybe a year and a half ago. I wasn't too familiar with it, but it was a dietitian that recommended to me. And I'm like, I don't know, I don't use those type of meats. But then I came to find out it was just pure soy. And as you guys know, or may not know, soy has a very complete amino acid chain. So when it comes to veganism, this is one of the highest pure protein forms that you can consume. So I started cooking with it. I said all that to say that I started cooking with it, and I really enjoy it. I have experimented with different brands, but this one that I've been getting lately, I find that it hydrates very quick, and once you cook it, it takes in the flavor very nicely. So once it's dry like that, you wanna add the rest of the liquid in, so you can utilize all of those flavors of the seasoning. So these guys in here are ready, and I think our grits are almost there. They're almost there. I'll say another few minutes and we'll be ready to serve it. So once it cools off, it will get thicker. It looks good. This is ready, nice and creamy. I ended up adding some vegan mozzarella cheese in it, and then we're gonna top it up with a mozzarella cheese as well to give that extra creaminess in it. And these guys in here are nice and crispy, ready to go. So let's give it a try, see how this turned out. Like I was telling you guys, because the grits have the coconut milk, the curry on the soy. Delicious. So this is it for today, friends. This dish turned out delicious, well balanced with the curry and the coconut milk. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe and like. More recipes coming along. Please tag anybody that you think will enjoy this recipe. If you try it out at home, let me know how it turns out. Until next time, friends, share love and serve well. Bye-bye.